Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 156 here on season number 2. And today we try Sprout, Curlz, broccoli, puffs.
I did not have it before.
You didn't have them before?
No.
Anyways, today I figured that we kind of do something a little bit different. Usually we have a little bit of a script that we follow, but
Whoa, that was cool.
Jacob's getting older, and I don't think that we necessarily need a script to kind of have a conversation and a food review.
I'm going to be 4 years old, and then after that, I'm going to be 5 years old, and I won't be old.
And then you'll be old.
No, I won't be old.
Oh, you won't be old? When will you get gray hair?
Oh, I will still have black hair because everybody has black hair.
Oh, everybody has black hair? What about someone that has a red head?
No one has red heads.
No, there's no redheads?
No.
What do you got to say to all of our subscribers that are redheads that you just said that there's no redheads?
There's no red heads.
What? We're going to lose subscribers, man. Anyways, Jacob, do you think that we should try these first or tell them about it?
Eat these first.
Just eat them? Because I actually didn't research them at all, so.
Oh, no.
No.
No, on this side.
On this side right here?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
That's it.
All right. So these are, I guess, like toddler snacks. I think they're just covered in green stuff. Because on the inside, like, I don't know if you guys can see this, but like, on the inside, it is white as snow. Hey, what are you doing?
Huh?
Did you count down?
You're silly.
You're silly. All right, let's count down.
We don't. Next
3.
time, then we don't need countdown.
Next time, just don't count down.
Yeah.
Okay. 2,
You do it.
1, go.
Go.
Interesting. What do you think, Jay?
You drop some right here.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Oh,
What do you think? Do you like them?
Yeah.
How would you rate them from a 1 to 10?
I would rate them as they almost have
They almost have.
They have. I know they have broccoli. They have broccoli.
They have broccoli.
Yeah, they have broccoli inside.
So does that mean that they're healthy?
Yeah.
All right, so being that they're a toddler snack, what kind of recommendation would you give to parents that are looking to buy their kids a toddler snack? Should they buy them? Should they not buy them?
Green Ghost.
Green Ghost.
I would think about strawberries, blueberries.
You're just thinking about strawberries and blueberries?
Yeah, I wish puffs have one is blueberries and one is strawberries.
And one of strawberries?
Yeah. One is dark blue and one is white red.
Oh, okay. So there you have it. I guess Sprout, if you guys are planning on making new Curlz, blueberries or strawberries, right, Jay? Yeah. Are you forgetting? I think that you're forgetting to stand up. Because you don't want anybody to see you. Why are you being silly like that?
You're silly.
You keep on. I think you're trying to play hide and seek with the people in the camera. No.
and or you're already seeing one with food inside.
Yeah. Let me ask you this. I got a question for you.
You ever seen a puff with food inside?
Yes, I did. I got a question for you.
Okay, what?
Do you got the googly eyes?
Don't have googly eyes. Just mad eyes.
Just the mad eyes. All right. Anyways, let's go ahead and take a look what's in here. They're chickpea based. They got lentil flour, rice flour, corn flour. So they're apparently gluten free. They have a little rosemary in there, and they're obviously covered with some broccoli powder as well. Wow, you're gonna eat it? Why don't you show them that? They'll probably laugh at you. So non-GMO, gluten-free, like I said, contains no concentrates. Interesting snack, honestly. I probably want to eat them myself. That's because I don't really care for broccoli, to be honest, but I could definitely see these being like a great toddler snack, especially if they came in this packet, like a 12-pack or something like that. Easy to go, simply like grab, put it in the snack bag, and then like, hey, you know what? Like the kid can have it when he wants them. For me personally, they kind of taste like a vegetable straw. Would you agree there, Jay?
Green ghost.
It's green ghost. Let's go ahead and leave it right there. Are you ready for the question of the day? Oh, I forgot to ask you real quick. Do you think that this is a buy or is it a trash?
Bye.
Buy.
Yeah, cause you don't throw it in the trash.
I will.
No, don't throw it in the trash. Or after it has food in it. Don't throw it in the trash.
Just don't throw it in the trash.
Yeah, cause you need just buy it.
Anyways, Jay, let's go ahead and jump into the question of the day real quick. I think we've already asked this before on the show, but maybe for like the new viewers out there, I would like to know, and they would probably like to know, like, what's your favorite superhero?
Spider-Man.
Is it Spider-Man? Did you see Spider-Man the other day?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah, I saw Batman.
And Batman?
Yeah.
What were they doing?
There's give me a picture, and I saw a black star, and then he was giving me a picture too.
Yeah.
Yeah, they was giving me a picture.
Was it downtown?
Yeah, it was.
It was. Spider-Man was downtown. Was this a real Spider-Man or a fake one?
A real one, cause someone had his suit on and couldn't talk, cause he had his quiet suit.
Oh.
Last time there was Spider-Man on the TV, and that was cartoons.
Cartoons, yeah. Spider-Man is a cartoon sometimes.
Yeah, but last time, Spider-Man was on TV.
Yeah.
And he was a cartoon too.
Okay.
I said cartoon two times.
Yep. Anyways, we'll go ahead and leave right there. Like I was saying, if you got a question on Stash, Acorns, and Robinhood, as well as general investing, business Etsy coaching, please post those questions down below. Don't forget to subscribe right up here in this corner. I have been linking our Etsy store down in this corner right here. But don't forget to check out the other video right in front of my face, and then check out one of the snack reviews that we did down here in front of Jacob's face. And as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.
Dirty hand.
Dirty hand.